main components of the carton sealer mechanism include the front pressure roller, cutting blade, rear pressure roller, brush, tape, and tape wheel. Tape roll shaft. The shaft core diameter must match the inner diameter of standard tape rolls to ensure the tape roll can be installed securely and stably. Before sealing, the adhesive side of the tape should contact the carton surface. The carton pushes the front pressure roller, which drives the rear roller and the protective cover through a linkage mechanism. When the carton touches the cutting blade, the blade rises. After the carton passes, the blade descends, completing the tape cutting process. Rear pressure roller. After the tape is cut, the rear pressure roller firmly presses the tape onto the carton surface. The surface of the roller usually has a textured pattern to increase friction, ensuring better tape compression. The roller pressure can be adjusted according to the carton material and the adhesive strength of the tape. Brush. The brush plays an auxiliary pasting role. It smooths the tape, making it adhere more tightly and evenly to the carton surface. This ensures a stronger and flatter seal, preventing wrinkles or pore adhesion that could cause the carton to open.